What's going on, guys? This is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today we're talking about the eufy handvac H30. This video is sponsored by eufy, but of course all opinions are my own, and it comes in at a pretty perfect time for me. You know, as a parent, I'm always cleaning up after my kids' mess, and the handvac H30 obviously makes it easier and more convenient. Whether it's something big or just tidying up, this device gives you flexibility. So if you're looking for a product just like this at a pretty good price, stick around to the end of this video. Out of the box, you get the device, a charging dock, and some accessories. There's a 2-in-1 crevice and a multi-surface tool included. Now, what's unique about the charging dock is that it gives you a place to store all of your accessories, so you can literally have them all in one place and also charging your device. Now, as far as cleaning is concerned, first of all, anyone can use it. The handvac H30 weighs about 1.78 pounds, which is a good weight for cleaning on the go. Don't mistake it being lightweight that it's not durable or powerful. In fact, it's the quite opposite. In hand, the machine feels solid, and eufy did a great job with attention to detail. You can place the dock anywhere and it sort of blends into your home decor. It doesn't look bad at all. And I'm not the only one that thinks that. It's received a bronze rating at the International Design Excellence Award of 2021. It's not just the design of the machine that stands out for me. The core technology behind it goes a long way in helping your day-to-day experience. The handvac H30 has 6 times stronger suction power with what eufy calls tri-power technology. This provides more suction than any other product in this category, and if you want numbers, you're looking at 2 separate suction modes. There's an eco mode, which I've used for the most part, and it gives you 12K PA of power, and a max mode, bumping that up to 16K PA. Now, with this level of power, you can pretty much use this vacuum on dust, pet hair, or even mites and allergens. For me, it's been used all around the house or in my car. Now, for example, I can use the crevice tool to get around sofas, and especially with the LED headlight, you know exactly what you're cleaning. Or use its strong suction power to clean up food messes that my son makes often. Now, typically I'd have to pick things up with my hands or use like a robotic vacuum cleaner and put in the right spot, but this is just a little bit faster for me, and it's more of a quicker spot clean. It's even useful around the cupboards or cabinet areas where a lot of dust just seems to accumulate over time. And if you use it on the floor, cleaning it by hand, there's a hard floor extension tools. Now, depending on the type of variant you pick up, you do get a larger section of accessories, but the cleaning experience stays consistent throughout. So there's a higher end H30 Infinity, and that gives you the hard cleaning tools, a pipe tool, and a mopping module, and disposable wipes. You can learn about the different variants from eufy's website in the description below. While I don't have a pet at home, I can definitely see the mini motorized pet tool, another accessory with the higher end variants, coming handy for people who do. To be honest, the handvac H30 is not just for your home. You can use it for other things like cleaning out your car or elements outside your home, like seats on the patio or anything like that. I found myself just using it because it's very convenient and cleaning up when I didn't think about cleaning up. I think this charging dock makes it very convenient to just either mount on the wall or have it somewhere in the corner, pick it up, clean something, and set it right back. Now, it does have some pretty good capacity. It's 250 milliliters, and it doesn't have a bag at all, so you can do several cleans before you need to dump it out. Obviously, with it being powered wirelessly, the handvac H30 runs on battery, which is user replaceable. Now, for daily cleaning, I would say it's a pretty solid backup. On a full charge, you get around 20 minutes of continuous cleaning in eco mode, which for me is just enough because I'm only doing a couple things at a time. But I know for bigger homes or for cleaning more things, you might want a longer battery, and that's where the replaceable battery comes into play. You can buy more than one battery. As far as recharging goes, it takes around 3.5 to 4 hours to charge it from 0 to 100% using the charging base. So that's the handvac H30. For me, it's become my go-to almost every day to keep the house clean in certain spots, especially in the couch or in the car. And if you're someone who's looking for a tool like this, the H30 gives you the best bang for your buck, especially with the feature set it brings in. You can learn more about the H30 from my links down in the description. And once again, a huge thanks to eufy for sponsoring this video. As always, guys, it's Kevin the Tech Ninja. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do that. I cover the smart home to the smartphone. Anyways, take care, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.